guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I'm doing good. So today I'm back with another cooking vlog. Today I'm going to show you all how to prepare Rava Kesari. Ingredients: ghee, raisins, cashews, sugar, Sooji, and finally take 3 to 4 cardamoms and make them into powder. Now take a pan on the stove, add 1.5 spoon of ghee or sufficient ghee and wait until it's heated. Then add dry fruits like raisins and cashews. Roast them well for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. After dry fruits are roasted, off the stove and transfer them into a plate. Now let's take this cup as measurement. I'm taking 1 cup of Sooji. On the stove again, add sufficient ghee again. Add Sooji to it. Roast it well for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. After it turns into brown in color, off the stove. Now transfer the Sooji into another plate. Now on the stove again, add 3 cups of water. I took the same cup in which I took 1 cup of Sooji. So for 1 cup, I'm adding 3 cups of water and boil the water. After 5 minutes, add Sooji to the boiling water and keep mixing. Lumps will be formed if you don't mix well, so make sure you mix it really well. Keep mixing for 5 minutes. Now keep the lid and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, take 1 full cup of sugar. So I'm taking 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of Sooji. Now add sugar to it. Keep mixing well for 3 to 4 minutes. It looks like this after 4 minutes. It is perfectly cooked right now. Finally, at the end, add dry fruits and cardamom powder to it and mix it well. There you go, yummy Rava Kesari is ready. This sweet tastes really good, guys. It's so easy to make and so delicious. If you also have a sweet tooth like me, do not forget to try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how it tastes. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the recipe. If yes, do not forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll be back with more videos. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.